Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect or add Google Forms on Shopify. So first is head over to admin.shopify.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, under the Sales Channels section, click on Online Store. And from the themes page on your current theme, just click on Customize. You will then be redirected to your themes editor page. Next, in the left panel, just select the specific section in which you want to add your forms. So, say for example, we're going to add it on template, just click on Add Section, then scroll down and click on Custom Liquid. For us to be able to add our forms here, we're going to need to get the liquid code. And to do that, in a new tab, head over to Forms or Google Forms. And from here, just select the specific form that you want to add on your Shopify page. Say, for example, I'm going to want to add this contact information forms. And from here, we're just going to click on this three dot icon or the More button, then click on Embed HTML. So we're just going to copy this code, then head back to Shopify editor page, and we're just going to paste it here. As you can see, the form is now added on our Shopify page. To place it on the center, at the beginning of the code, you can just add this center code. And as you can see, it is now aligned in the middle of the page. And once done, you can proceed by clicking on Save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!